Hey, what's up everybody, it's your boy Subway Cookie. I know it's been a long time since I've done a video, and yeah. I don't know what else to say. I've been really lazy and busy, if that makes sense. I've been busy with work, and when I get home from work, I'm just too lazy to do anything. But hopefully that'll change, because I really want to get back into it. I really want to game more. You know, I really want to do more creative stuff. And in the background, I've been doing a few things, and hopefully we'll be able to do that on stream or on camera, or at least on video, you know, just to get over the laziness. But I'll get on about life later on. But my plan is to get into these big bad boys. Gunplas. Yeah, that's right. Your boy does Gunpla now. And hopefully want to get into not only like building them, but painting, modeling, like that whole stuff. Like I'll probably, you know what, today's just gonna be a whole video of me going on about the tools and stuff that I've bought, and hopefully we'll get to using soon. So yeah, that's the video today. Alright, you're gonna have to bear with me because my office is dirty at the moment. I'm cleaning, hopefully, to get stuff in and out. First things first, I guess, is I've been buying Gunpla. So this is, for those that don't know, this is the Barbados Lupus. It's only HG, so it's normal, like basic grade. But I've got two more kits lined up to build. I got this one, another HG, and this one's from a little boy. He saw this in the store and wanted it, so I need to build that for him. But yeah, so we'll hopefully be able to get onto those. I also got this. Oh, let me get the box because it's in pieces right now. I also got this bad boy, kind of just to start, and my plan was to make it into a Pikachu Libre, and I'm kind of in the process of that right now. Yeah, if you can look closely, if it does it show on my camera? No, my camera's zooming in, focusing on me. But yeah, I've done the panel lines on it, so hopefully I'll be able to start painting on that. I didn't record, well really I did, but then I got rid of the footage because it was trash. But I don't know, I'll probably just show it off on Twitter or something, or some in one of these videos. But anyways, panel lining. This is my panel liner. My camera is not focusing on it. But yeah, it's to me a plastic scriber too. As you can see, it's like got a pretty cool blade. Freaking focus on the thing. Okay, whatever. It doesn't want to focus on it. That's fine. And it got the scriber, and I got panel line accent color. Right now, I haven't used it yet. Still gonna use it. I've been wanting to test it on this RX one. Wanted to test it on this baby, but I ended up buying one of these, a Gundam marker. And trust me, I don't like it. I don't like it at all. Like I don't like it at all. I don't know how else to say it. I don't like it at all. So I'm probably gonna be using this bad boy as a testing things. So it's probably my scrap. Hopefully I'm gonna be doing a lot more, because I got a few ideas of what I want to do with custom building. You know, I got my sanding sticks. They're all different grit, so Oh, sorry, panel lining. You need this bad boy. This is called scribing tape. As you can see, it's a bit thicker. You might not be able to see it. Oh yeah, okay, just decide to focus on it when I but yeah, panel lining tape, which is really cool. I've got another pack as well. It's very thick, so if I can just trust in the tape when I panel line, it's just gonna go, well, not but you know what I mean. And I started off using just these tape refills, but they're from Kmart, and don't use those. I screwed up my Pikachu because of those. Don't do those. My panel lines aren't straight on my Pikachu, and I'm hoping one day, because Pikachu's like 15 bucks model kit, maybe, I don't know, 3 months from now, once I actually start painting and stuff, is to buy another one and kind of do a process thing. But anyways, this is my brush. I like to clean my desk with this. It's just a normal paintbrush, just a normal paintbrush that I keep there. What else do I have? Oh, I got this for my birthday. I got an airbrush, so I'll be learning how to use this bad boy. It's just a basic one. It's not one of those it's not like the Tamiya ones, which are like 0.3, 0.4. This one's 0.5. Yeah, and it's not, hold on, let me open it. Yeah, it's kind of, look at it, it's kind of nice. It's got its case. It's pretty cool. I'll probably fill this one up with like airbrush cleaner, and then this one will be with the paint. We'll see how I go. I didn't want to try it yet because I wanted to buy some airbrush cleaner, but I haven't found any, and I'll probably have to buy some online somewhere. I can probably just use water for now. Just, you know, just base bull crap. And then along with those airbrush, I want to do a shout out. It doesn't need to do the shout out, but I'm gonna do a shout out to Studio G. I saw his builds, I saw his paint, and I wanted to support. So I bought the beginners kit. There's like 8 colors in total. I want to keep them in the box. Hold on, there's 5 in there, and then there's another 3. Just cool. You know what, let's open one. I kind of want to open the Zaku green because I like green. Green's my favorite color. Though you can't tell from my overlays and stuff. The orange and purple. Alright, let's open the Zaku green. For those that don't know much about GUNPLA, Zaku is to shake it. So there's Zaku green. Let's shake this bad boy. So start by shaking the bottle well. I'll have to shake it real well. That's been sitting in there for a while. So apparently this already has this already is thinned. So I don't need to worry about thinning the paint. I can just straight up mix them together. Let's open it. Yeah, good. Yeah. So it's capped at the moment, but I'm sure once I mix it well, I want to get the white mix off. I'm sure once I cap it well, mix it well, I can remove the cap off and then, you know, get right into it. Oh, and first and foremost, I really should have started off with this tool, but side cutters. These are just basic side cutters that I've had for a long time. When I was fixing computers and stuff, it's been my best friend for the longest time, and it still is my best friend. for now, because I can't afford like the heavy duty stuff, because they're, oh my gosh, that's 60 bucks for a side cutter. Like, bro, maybe once I really get into it. And last but not least, my hobby knife kit. As you can see, it's missing 2 blades. They broke. I broke them. I was doing something else on a different job, different thing entirely, and I broke them. Oh, and for painting, these clips. What I want to do eventually is start. I really should put them back after I'm finished the video. What I'll be doing is I'll start painting, hopefully sometime soon when I get the chance. Maybe this Sunday. You know what? Yeah, let's do it this Sunday. Yeah, let's do this Sunday. We're gonna paint. I'm gonna do the panel lines. Finish the panel lines. We'll finish the panel lines this Sunday, this Sunday, and see if we can start painting Pikachu. And we'll start with Pikachu, and then we'll work our way from there. With regards to gaming, like, I still game, so there'll still be gaming content on the channel. Yeah, I don't know. It was kind of spur of the moment. I just wanted to break the dry spell of videos that has been going on for like the longest time. I just wanted to break the dry spell, and that's what I've been getting up to, or wanted to get into, which is GUNPLA, and hopefully apply that stuff into my gaming and other stuff as well. I've got a few ideas in here of what I'll be doing, and hopefully you guys are interested. If not, that's totally fine. Videos are still gonna go up. But yeah. Anyways, this is your boy Subway Cookie, and it's nice seeing you all. I hope you're doing well. Stay safe, stay COVID safe, wash your hands, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.